running by the Ralanaria, Sanis Jacqueline's Diamond, and racing in third is something number 10, Stone Blast. It's Jacqueline's Diamond, followed by Damanligaw, is Stone Blast, Jacqueline's Diamond, Paris Melody, Scout Ranger, is racing in 6-7 position. Naga, 8 belongs to number 9 for Bidon Food. Back to the front runner, Jacqueline's Diamond, followed by Scout Ranger, Paris Melody, Stone Blast, Damanligaw in between runners alongside is Camora, and rounding the front turn, Jacqueline's Diamond, Scout Ranger, Camora, racing audience, Arancel moving up, almost pokes his nose to grab the lead as they race around the corner. 3 runners matching their strike, running in between runners, Jacqueline's Diamond and Scout Ranger. On the outside is Camora. It's the Scout Ranger, Jacqueline's Diamond, Camora, for Biranput, Naga also joining them by the road. Jacqueline's Diamond by about 3 lengths now, and finally number 12, Jacqueline's Diamond second, Naga, Scout Ranger, Camora for Biranput.